My name is Courtney Tebow, and I'm a data visualization engineer with Blue Margin. Blue Margin has been working in the business intelligence industry since 2011, and we are one of Microsoft's largest certified gold partners. We enjoy working with mid-market companies to mobilize their data in interactive reporting, with the goals of prioritizing key initiatives and helping solve business issues. Today, we are going to review our Manufacturing HQ Scorecard, which we've pulled together to identify 6 main issues that the manufacturing industry specifically needs to report on, highlighting 2 common pain points, which is operations specific to employee utilization and machine efficiency, as well as customer fill rate. In this report, we can review revenue, accounts receivable, accounts payable, cash flows, operations, and customer fill rate. In each of these sections, we call out different KPIs or key performance indicators that executives would be interested in seeing across each of these different areas. Specific to our pain point within operations on employee utilization and machine efficiency, through our scorecard, we have an overview of our past 4 weeks. But if we want to see additional detail, we can navigate to an operations detail page where we can see some trends and additional data related to our employee utilization and machine efficiency. In general, we see that over the past 13 weeks, our performance has been at or above goals. However, when we look at performance across our different regions, we quickly notice that Mid-Atlantic machine efficiency is below the goal. We can get additional detail within the Mid-Atlantic region by clicking on this column, and the rest of the report is going to filter down. From here, we can recognize that our Brooklyn and our Wilkes-Barre locations have some low-performing machine hours from the last 13 weeks. So this could spur a conversation with the specific plant managers at that location to see what's been happening with the machine on their floor. Another way that we can utilize this report is to identify where we might be able to get some improvements within employee utilization, because we do meet goal, but there might be opportunities to gain even more hours within our utilization. Now that we've identified where we can see some improvements within our machine efficiency, we may also want to spend some time looking at our overall employee utilization. This chart is currently sorting by our machine efficiency, but if we select employee utilization, this visual now updates to show our employee utilization across our different regions. And West South Central is a region that could potentially use some improvement across our different locations. Dallas looks like it could be, there could be opportunities for improvement there. So when we filter on our West South Central and then we further filter this report into our Dallas location, we can use this visual to the right to identify specific supervisors and employees that are having poor utilization. And it looks like Raynell and Cesar within our Dallas location have 2 employees under them that could use some additional training or just discussions about their overall time management to hopefully boost their utilization to at or above the 85% goal. Back on the Manufacturing HQ Scorecard, we also want to take a quick look into the pain point of customer fill rate. So we have been at or above goal for the past 4 weeks, for 2 of those weeks, but it looks like there might be a little bit of fluctuation. We can click on our link again to drill through to a more detailed page. Now that we're drilled through onto our customer fill rate report page, we can see that in general, our customer fill rate is improving. So we were at 91% and we've bumped up to 93%. over the course of a year. However, our last 13 weeks, here in the upper right-hand corner, we are still slightly under goal. We're only at 92.4% of a 95% goal. So we can use the charts below to further identify where we're having some issues. Our Northeast Division and our Mid-Atlantic region are where we're noticing most of the gap. Once we've filtered down to Northeast, we're able to see customers below and their specific customer fill rate associated with each of them. And overall, in general, it looks like we need to work on our inventory and analyze what products these customers are purchasing most often so that we can improve our customer fill rates. So that's a high-level overview of our Manufacturing HQ scorecard. We'd love to talk to you more. Please visit our website at bluemargin.com and fill out our Contact Us sheet, or schedule a demo with one of our consultants so that we can go through this data in more detail and also learn about specific issues that your business is facing that we might be able to help you with. We look forward to talking with you soon.